would you do?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new here. My name is Sydney and I do motherhood and lifestyle videos. I have a baby girl who is 4 months old and a little toddler boy who is almost 2. Yeah! So today's video is all about his closet in his nursery. I really wanted to revamp it. It was looking super cluttered and we started to just throw everything in there. A lot of stuff that I was planning to donate, I was just throwing in his closet, and then it just got out of hand. I haven't been hanging up his clothes either. I've just been, even his nice clothes, I've been shoving in his drawers, which I want to get away from that. So I decided to redo it and give it a little makeover. And look how cute our shirts are. Mine says, "It's the little things in life." He's wearing one that says "little thing." And then my daughter has a little onesie on that says "little thing." And here's my daughter's little onesie, "little thing." Alright guys, so I'm a little ashamed of how this is looking right now. This closet is kind of the catch-all right now. Let's see, so at the top here, I have some of my son's keepsakes and some toys, and here I have a mixture of some of his clothes that are hung up, some of hers. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why I have those all in here, but half of his clothes that need hung up are just in his drawer, so I want to hang those up. This is just a bunch of clothes I'm wanting to donate, get rid of, and then some of these toys I'm gonna donate and get rid of as well. So we have a lot of organizing to do, don't we, buddy? How cute is this sign? We made this for my son's first birthday, and I'm not gonna keep it in the closet, but I'm for sure keeping it. This is adorable.
Every single day, you set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want.
Okay, so some of this stuff I want to bring to Once Upon a Child and see if they'll take any. Some of the stuff over here I want to give to my friend who's having a daughter. I want to donate some of this to Goodwill, some like old scrubs and stuff. And then I have a trash pile over here. You can actually see the bottom of the closet now. My daughter was playing in this doorway bouncer. So I'm gonna go ahead and move my daughter's clothes into her room and then start getting the stuff on the top shelves and getting rid of some of that stuff. Alright guys, I already had this white cabinet in our closet that I was wanting to replace, so I thought it would probably work good in here. I have plenty of space to put a little toy bin down here, so that's what I'm planning to do. I got all this inspiration to organize this closet from Brittany Boren Leach here on YouTube, and I liked how she had a little toy box or toy bin down here at the bottom that says toys, and I found one kind of similar on Amazon that I'm gonna order, so I'm gonna put that there. And these little bins here actually go over here. So I was gonna order a different kind of bin, but I thought I could stay with the theme. I'm gonna go ahead and put those bins back where they go here and then order 3 more. So I was just checking it out to see if they fit. They fit perfect in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and order 3 of those, and then I may change up the decor a little bit, but I'm liking this. And at the top here, I'm organizing. I already cleaned up tons of stuff. These up here are his keepsakes, so I want to save those. I'm gonna return that bucket because I'm not gonna use that for anything. And then I'm gonna put these little logs in one of the bins to make it look nicer. So this is what we're working with so far. So I officially got everything I need for the closet. So first thing, I got these hangers from Amazon. They're this gray velvet. So I think those will be really nice. They will help keep the clothes on better too. Also from Amazon, I got these 3 totes that I had already had. And then I got this wire basket, and I'm going to store either his play logs or his choo-choo trains. I also got this more sturdy closet rod. It's just white. I think that'll make it look a lot nicer too because the one we have is really cheap. I got this really cute tote also from Amazon. It's like a burlap that says toys on it. Yeah, I think that's super cute. I really like the brown handles on the sides, and it's actually way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So I love that. It just needs to kind of sit out so the creases go away. Reese, you want that? Is that your new toy box? Oh. Alright, and then from Walmart I just got this 3-hook board. I'm going to put his coat, his hat, and his diaper bag on that. I thought that would be really nice and convenient to just throw those on there. I also got these cute little name tags from Walmart to hang on the little gray totes I have for the top of his closet. Alright guys, so I already put this little toys bin down here. The little kinks still need to be worked out. My son is gonna be destroying everything I'm doing, but that's okay. Alright, so I didn't realize that those totes came 2 per package. So I have 2 extra up there. So I didn't know if I wanted to keep 2 here, put 2 at the top, or just do 1 on each. So I'm gonna kind of mess with that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang this up. And I think I'm gonna put it over on this right side.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You said my...
So for the 3 hooks, I'm gonna put my son's diaper bag. I thought this cute hat would look nice. And then since fall's coming, I thought just using a little cardigan would be nice. And this is just a basic one that can go with so many outfits. So I thought that would be really easy to just grab off of the hook.
Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you.
Alright, so I think this looks super cute right there. And I went ahead and just put it in the center of the closet right there so that I have plenty of space for the diaper bag to hang.
You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
So currently I'm just storing my son's shoes in this little bin. I'm going to go ahead and put it in one of the totes at the top of the closet.
Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on
Next, I'm taking these sheets and putting them up there. This is actually saving me a lot of space in his dresser drawers, so I'm loving this.
fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be.
I'm thinking I like it with just the 2 on bottom and then these ones. It definitely looks too much with all of them, and then I don't know what I would put in this empty slot if I just put 1 at the bottom. I really like how his wooden trains look in that little white wired basket. And then I'm gonna wait for my husband to change out this rod before I start hanging up his clothes with the velvet hangers. So my husband hung up this rod for me. It looks much nicer. It's definitely more sturdy.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added.
Okay guys, I just finished the closet and I love how it turned out. It's super neutral and it still has some pop of colors. I will go ahead and show you. Okay, so all of these clothes hanging here were just shoved in one of his drawers, and I love that I can hang them up now. Then I have the space to do it, Up here on the top, I just have his little wood choo-choo trains. In this bin, I have some Legos, and there's some smaller Legos in there, so I like that I can keep it in the closet to monitor when he does play with them. In this middle bin here, I just have some extra books, and then on the bottom, I'm storing his logs. They're like these little Lincoln logs that he can stack, and he loves playing with those, so I'm gonna keep those down there. And there are some smaller pieces in that I like to monitor as well, so it's nice to store them in his closet. Now over here I have this little toy bin, and I think this is adorable. Over here on the side I just have my son's diaper bag, and it's just really convenient that we can put it here instead of in our closet in the hallway, because it gets so packed in there, and this is a nice spot that we always know where to get it. At the top I have the 2 small clothing, 2 big clothing, some shoes, cloth diapers, and his sheets, his extra sheets. So I love having these bins up here. And these were only $1 at the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these velvet hangers that I got from Amazon. They hold the clothing so well, and they look nicer than the white ones that I had. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.